Let's break down the Robinhood Gold Card. It's not just a flashy card, it's the premium tier of Robinhood, unlocked by subscribing to Robinhood Gold. Think of it as a monthly membership that gives you access to advanced investing tools. The Gold Card is a symbol of this upgrade, but the real value is in the digital features you unlock. With Gold, you get more data, more buying power, and faster access to your money. The free Robinhood account is great for beginners, but Gold is for those who want to trade more actively and need professional-grade tools. You can't get the Gold Card without the Gold membership. They go hand in hand. The card itself offers perks like high-yield savings, but the real draw is the suite of digital tools. Robinhood Gold is an optional upgrade, no pressure to join, but if you're checking your portfolio daily and want deeper market insights or faster deposits, Gold is worth considering. It's built for the active user who wants to act quickly and make the most of every opportunity. For a small monthly fee, you transform your basic account into a more powerful investing platform. The Gold Card is for those ready to take their trading to the next level. One major perk of Robinhood Gold is instant deposits. Deposit funds and invest immediately. No waiting for your money to clear. This is huge for active traders who want to seize opportunities as they arise. Gold also unlocks margin trading, letting you borrow money to invest. For example, with $10,000 in your account, you might get another $10,000 in buying power. The first $1,000 of margin is interest-free. Above that, you pay interest. Margin amplifies gains. Invest $20,000. A 10% gain means $2,000 profit on your $10,000, but it also amplifies losses. A 10% drop means a $2,000 loss. If your account drops too much, you could face a margin call, forcing you to sell at a loss. Margin is powerful but risky. Use it wisely, and understand the risks before diving in. Instant buying power and leverage are game changers for experienced traders. Robinhood Gold isn't just about buying power, it's about smarter investing. Gold members get access to Morningstar research reports, expert analysis on companies and markets. You also unlock Level 2 market data, showing a deeper view of real-time bids and asks. This data helps active traders spot trends and time trades more precisely. These tools give you an edge, turning guesswork into informed decisions. If you're a long-term passive investor, you might not need these features. But for those picking individual stocks or trading actively, the research and data are invaluable. Morningstar reports and Level 2 data are usually expensive. Here, they're bundled in. Robinhood Gold levels the playing field, giving retail investors access to professional-grade tools. It's about trading smarter, not just harder. So is Robinhood Gold worth the $5 monthly fee? For beginners with small portfolios, probably not. Focus on learning and growing your account first. But for active or intermediate traders, instant deposits and interest-free margin can easily justify the cost. The bundled Morningstar research and Level 2 data are a bargain compared to buying them separately. If you use these tools, the value is clear. For day traders, the advanced data alone can be worth the price. But if you're a passive investor, the free version is more than enough. The key is knowing your investing style and only paying for what you'll use. Robinhood Gold isn't for everyone, but for the right investor, it's a powerful upgrade. Make sure it fits your needs before subscribing.